So our friends at Wow Embossing have an embossing pad, and what is nice about this one hasn't been opened before, is that it has an extra high pad, and that pad is nice especially for something like stenciling, because it's going to kind of poke down into those areas. This is a very slow drying, as all of the watermark embossing pads are. But there's some other things. It's called an Embossing Ink Pad Refill Conditioner and Freestyle Tool. Okay, so this has a ball on it. You see that? So this ball will transfer the embossing powder, the embossing ink. You can use it to refill your embossing pad, or what about this? Use this to roll over the stencil areas and use that for the embossing. Now, you could also use this, maybe on the edges of your paper. Maybe you want to write hello and emboss it. This is a freehand tool also, and it's brand new, and it's here. The other thing that we have from them is an embossing pen. So same thing, you can color in the areas. It has, there you go, it has a fine tip to it, so that's nice. And this is the embossing pen. So you've got 3 ways that you can do some embossing, all from our friends at Wow.